We've got 1 day left for the election day on Tuesday, November 5th. And you know what's the time it is there? Yes, the time for DJT to squeeze. Because this is it, guys. We got in near the bottom. So this is the time for America to be a great again. And of course, for all people in the United States to be a billionaires. If DJT got squeezed. So in today's video, we have to discuss this game changer, guys, for this stock. Because if you came late, this stock just did a huge reversal of 400% in just 1 month. And of course, it pulled back a discount. We have to say discount so far, almost 50% down from almost the 60, and we went until the 30. So 50% discount before the election day. So this is the game plan, guys. Market maker want to have a discount for DJT. The billionaires, let's say the billionaires, want the discount to buy DJT before the election day. Do you know something? We don't, of course. However, this is inside trading. We don't do insider trading here. We just have a probability of something could happen. It's like predicting that like earthquake or tsunami will come. There's two people. There's someone who actually run for the cover to the mountain, and there's the other one, a risk taker, waiting for the big wave to surf it. So if you're not a really good server, you never enter a competition, you never go to Portugal to catch the big wave over there, don't recommend that because you're gonna be killed by this huge wave. It's not being smart, it's not being courageous. So guys, there's a huge wave here. You have to be smart. If you want to surf this wave, yes, you're gonna enter the history if you surf this wave because nobody did it. And of course, if you did this, you can actually beat all the competition in surfing competition. This analogy is resemble in stock market. We have two waves. There's the normal wave that everybody can do, which is in the normal stocks. Let's say Apple or stocks is going up and down like just 5 meters or 3 meters wave. But for DJT, guys, a huge wave. As you can see here, this is 300 or 400 meters wave. This is crazy. It's kind of almost like, let me just give you an example. This is kind of surfing the Eiffel Tower because the Eiffel Tower, I think, is 300 meters up. Anyway, so you have to be extremely careful and prepared for this huge wave that will come, of course, in the election day because we anticipate pretty much big volatility and gap up or gap down, depends on the support that we discussed in today's video. So guys, hit the like, subscribe, because we always go live every day around 9 a.m. Eastern time. Of course, we're gonna have extended live streaming as we did last Friday, guys. We did almost 3 hours of live streaming to discuss DJT and be live together, guys, and traded live together and discuss the updated levels because every second, every level could change for DJT for the support or the resistance. So hit the like and join us. And of course, if you want to have early access to DJT and of course other stocks, because we always update the chart analysis for mini stocks live after we finish our live streaming. Of course, with DJT, we did it many times. PHU1, as you can see here, one of the meme stock that jumped big time, and we searched for exit. And of course, we took mini profit on mini stocks. And of course, many of you asking if I took profit on DJT. Of course, we always take profit on mini stocks, guys. For DJT, we exited before the 56, which is the top level where we saw the hidden sellers, of course, and we predict our hunters to exit right around the 56, guys, back on of course the 29th of October, because last time is not one time that we traded DJT. As you can see here, we traded DJT many times and we take profit and exit. So we enter and exit because DJT is pretty volatile. I'm not suggesting to hold and just put all my money on one trade because we trade mini stocks, guys. If you know how to trade, there's opportunity and abundance in the stock market. Let me give you an example here. It's kind of like marrying the wrong person, and you live in hell with this person, and you never get divorced, and you know this is the relationship not going anywhere because you don't have abundance in your mindset. You don't know that there's almost 4 billion women out there, if you don't count if you count the babies and like the people who over your age. But if you want to be realistic in your like in your country, is like millions. There's millions you can date or even marry. But if you don't have this abundance mindset, you're gonna stick in bad relationship and negative relationship, and you invest more money and time in this bad person. I'm not saying the person that you're marrying is bad. Sometimes some people are like black holes. They suck your energy in, and you can escape it. Even time and space can escape black holes. And some people like that. It's like black holes. They suck you in. The same with stocks. Some stocks that suck you in, suck your energy and investment. So you have to point and know exactly when you exit from any stock or from any relationship, from any business. Sometimes even the business and work that you're working in right now, sucking your energy and time, and of course, make your life live in hell. So everything, every time or everything is related. That's why I'm relating stocks, picking stocks with picking the right woman to marry or picking the right business to invest in. It's all the same. Everything's connected, guys. So now, in today's video, we have to discuss what we should do, of course, for the next week or tomorrow and Monday, the last day before the election day, and what we should expect, okay? Because DJT is pretty volatile, and we have to be ready to serve this huge wave that will come on Tuesday. For now, guys, we have the $29 as a support. You see, we got slow action last Friday because we don't have whale buying or smart money buying right now. Some of you asked me, Jesus, should we buy in the live streaming? I told you guys we didn't clear this level yet, around the 36. So this is the level that we have to break next week. So let me just show you. This is the level that will confirm that DJT started to reverse. If we don't break this white line, guys, as we discussed, this is the white line where the short seller added their position. The first time we spotted this level, it was on 29th of October, as you saw on our Discord. We exited here around the 56 before the market opened, then we flush and we continued to go down. Here they added again around the 30th of October, here around the 31st of October. Every day they added their position, and here on the 1st of November. So we have fourth position open for DJT before the election day. However, this is not it, guys. This is not it for DJT, because we've got 1 day left and there's a chance for gapping up. What I mean, if we have a positive election day for DJT, what I mean by positive is me, Trump elected as a president in the United States. This will be a huge, and we're gonna have a gap up above the, of course, the 43. As we said, the 43 is the most important level to confirm us that we're gonna squeeze, which is the over the 44 to be precise. However, the first level, or the first level that we have to break and test, is the 3680 by tomorrow. Okay, so if we have this reaction, will be a good reaction. It means there's some insiders know something about the election we don't. Always, guys, the insider knows something before we don't. And how we know that is by breaking the 3680 before the election on Monday. Would be great signal that there's something happening. Okay, however, if we don't have this reaction and we don't even test the 36 and we won't continue to go down here, it's still okay, because we might have this reaction, okay, going up, continue to go down around the 23 and 25. Then on the election day, we have a positive election, we're gonna have a squeeze up. Okay, so this is still all right even before the election. But as we said, there's always a good scenario and worst case scenario. The worst case scenario is going down more toward the 25, 23 before the election. During the election, if we have a positive day or positive results for Trump, yes, we're gonna have a gap up over the 44. We have to, because if we don't, it mean this is not a squeeze. And of course, if we went there, it mean we're gonna have a gap of 40%. This will be even better. A gap up over the 44%. This will give us a jump toward the 49, after that 57, after that 75, and of course my target is around the 98 and 90, not the $100 for DJT after the election if we have a good election. Otherwise, we're gonna have a dive down to test this level around the 23, 25 for DJT, of course, which is the most important level to hold before the election day, even if we went down by Monday. We're going to discuss DJT in depth, guys, by tomorrow on our live streaming around 9 a.m. Eastern time, and before that around 7 a.m. Eastern time on our Discord and Patreon. Thank you for watching, and let me know in comment section below, are we going to have a gap up by Tuesday over the 44? And of course, are we going to have the test around the 25, 23 by tomorrow before the election or not? This is the most important question we should ask for DJT before the election on on Tuesday, of course. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed weekend and see you by tomorrow.